Hi, I'm Andy Beck, one of the co-founders of Viper Imaging, and we're going to show you one of our new products that has come out of our current string of EBT or elevated body temperature system. So previously you've seen our EBT Ultra, the EBT Pro. Hopefully you've seen the new EBT V1, which is our fully incorporated system. What we've seen is that some people need just a much smaller, compact, easy to integrate system, or not even necessarily integratable, but just a standalone one-point system. Simple wall mounted bracket. So again, you mount this on the wall. It comes right now with a FLIR A500 EST camera. We recommend it still to be used with a black body, which is sold separately, as well as some other functionality, but it features all the same characteristics as all of our other systems in regards to the software. So the software is working the same, the camera's working the same, just don't have necessarily the full expanded set that you would have with the V1 or some of our previous systems. But very simply, it works the same way. A person would come up, they would go for the scan, it would do the processing, it would tell them pass or fail. So that's what we're going to go through, pass or fail each and every time. There is an optional printer system that you can get with this, as well as some optional access control systems if you needed to add that to it at a later date. Just to show you a few of the main components of the system, again, it's a monitor system that is a complete touch screen. So if I do want to go through here and do any of the settings, I can adjust any of the settings. There are some different functionalities here for changing and modifying the way it looks slightly. Like right now, for instance, it has a picture-in-picture. You could go full visible if you wanted to. So if you didn't want anybody to see the thermal image, if that makes them feel uncomfortable in some way, or if you just want to show the thermal image so people that know they're getting scanned. Again, all this is operating on a small micro PC that's mounted in the back and uses our Viper Vision software.